folks, just a little yarn here with Mr. Ray, the Jedi. Say hi, Ray.
Huh?
Say hi.
Ho!
We got Ray on video. Just finished recapping this entire 457. Every capacitor has been replaced. And around the audio amp. And around the switching. And around the PLL. Every electrolytic capacitor has been changed on this 457. So yeah. So still got another one to go. So we got 451 recapped. We got one 457 recapped. And now we have one more TRC-457 to recap. So yeah. 457 took me roughly about 2 hours. Took me about 2 hours to do it. But anyways, just a little update. This is the 457 that I was working on earlier that got 5 or 6 videos done on. This is her here. Okay, so now we're going to do an RF check on the 457 here now. So right now we're on AM, 20 watts. We're on power. Test 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So about 4 watts on AM. Flicker to sideband. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. So we're going to go 15 watts. 15 watts sideband. Cool. Gotta like that.